Today I'm going to show you how to design a pumpkin with TINKERCAD. First, we're going to click on Create and select 3D Design. Now we have the work plane open. This pumpkin is going to be created with eggs, and we can find the egg on the Creatures and Characters list, here, at the bottom. We click on the egg and we place it on the work plane, like this. I can hide this by clicking on the arrow. I'm going to select the left view to see the egg from this angle. And by clicking on this arrow, I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees to the left, like that. Now I need it to lay flat on the work plane again. And I can do it by clicking on the letter D of the keyboard, like this. And now I can go back to the home view. It is very important that the egg is always selected. Don't click anywhere else on the screen. I need to see these squares at all times, okay? Now I'm going to duplicate the egg with this button. There are two eggs now, but we can only see one because they both occupy the same space at the same time. I'm going to rotate the second egg horizontally to the left, like this, 45 degrees. Again, it is very important that the eggs are always selected. Now I'm going to move the egg 10 millimeters to the left using the left arrow key from the keyboard, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 5 times up, 5 millimeters up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'm going to click on Duplicate again and see what happens. Not only duplicates the egg, it also remembers the changes and applies them to the new egg. So now I'm going to click on Duplicate 5 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now it looks like a pumpkin, right? I'm going to click, drag, and select all the eggs at the same time. And I'm going to click on Row. And now the pumpkin is only one shape. I'm going to change the color to orange by clicking here and selecting orange. The pumpkin now needs a stem, and I'm going to create the stem with the basic shapes here, the paraboloid, and I'm going to place it on the work plane here. I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees vertically because I need it upside down. And I'm going to change the color to green, like that. Now I'm going to lift the paraboloid 30 millimeters up by clicking on this triangle and dragging until I see 30 millimeters. There you are. Now I want to put the stem right at the center of the pumpkin, and I can do so by selecting both shapes like this and clicking on the Align button. And I'm going to select this button here and this button here. And now the pumpkin is perfectly aligned with the stem. And I'm going to group. And don't worry if now it changes the color, because I can go back and click on multicolor and it remembers that it has two different colors. Now it is time to write our names. In this case, we're not going to write the complete name. We're only going to write our initials. So I select the text shape and I place it here. To change the letters of the text, I need to do so from this box here. So I'm going to write my initials. In my case, RMR. And I can click anywhere else on the screen. I'm going to shrink the letters a little bit until they are 49 or 50 millimeters wide. How can I do so? By clicking on this square here, but at the same time I'm going to press the Control button and the capital letters button from the keyboard with 2 fingers. And now I can click and I can drag until now. Oh, let me show you. If I put them here, there. I'm going to make them a bit larger. There. I said 49.50 and it will be like that. And I'm going to make them very tall. Don't worry. I can drag this square here and I can make them very tall. Don't worry about that. And I'm going to lift the letters at least 20 millimeters up. Like that. Now the letters, I need to change them to a hole here, like this. And now you see that the letters are transparent. I'm going to click on the top view and I'm going to drag the letters and put them inside the pumpkin here, or maybe they are better here. Now I'm going to select both shapes, the letters and the pumpkin, and I'm going to click on Group and see what happens. Now the letters are a whole of the pumpkin. If I come closer, you can see that they are a whole. Now the last step is going to be changing the name of the project. I'm going to write pumpkin and the name of the pair. In this case, I'm only going to write pumpkin name 1, name 2. And the pumpkin is finished.